Morning students. Today we are going to learn about atoms and its subatomic particles. Atom is the term taken from the Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. Atom itself is the smallest particle of an element. I repeat, of an element. Not molecule, not compound, element. For example, if you break a piece of iron into smaller pieces, all these small pieces of iron show the properties of iron. On breaking them further, you will obtain smaller and smaller pieces which still exhibit the properties of iron. Here in this figure, you can observe iron particles are attracting towards magnet even in its powder form. It means iron will not change its property just by changing in size. Small particles are also attracting towards the magnet. John Dalton was the scientist who has given theory called Dalton's atomic theory. He summarized some important characteristics of an atom. The first point was elements are made up of small indivisible particles called atoms. Second is atoms of a given element are identical but differ from the atoms of other elements. Third point, atoms cannot be subdivided, created or destroyed. This is the fact, students. In this picture you can observe burning of wood. In general language, we can say this is the destruction. This is not an example of destruction here. In the language of chemistry, it is just a chemical change. Carbon and hydrogen atoms of wood are converting into carbon dioxide and water. Chemically, wood is cellulose and cellulose is converting into carbon dioxide and water. Means those atoms which are present in wood, these are just converting into another form. Atom cannot be destroyed. The next point is atoms of different elements combine in simple whole number ratio to form chemical compounds. In this you can observe H2O and CO2. Atoms are combined in their simple form or simple ratio. Atoms take part in all chemical reactions. These were the points given by Dalton. Dear students, I want to add here that all the points of Dalton's atomic theory proved wrong with further studies and discoveries, but it has its own importance because it had opened door to think in a new direction of subatomic particles. In the early 20th century, it was found that an atom is made up of even smaller particles, namely electrons, protons, and neutrons. These particles are known as subatomic particles or fundamental particles. Electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged, neutron has no charge. Electron has mass 1 by 18/40th of hydrogen atom. In some books it is given 1837 also, but you can write anyone 1837 also and 1840 also, don't get confused. Proton has mass equal to 1 hydrogen atom. Neutron has mass equal to 1 hydrogen atom. Location in atom: electron present outside the nucleus. Protons are present inside the nucleus. Neutrons are also present inside the nucleus. In this figure you can observe nucleus present in the center. So nucleus is the part which makes central part of atom, and it consists of positively charged protons and neutrons. Electrons are revolving around this nucleus, and these two proton and neutrons, these are present inside the nucleus, so these two are also called nucleons. Thank you for today.